Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the globe's exact model and current firmware so you know available options. This prevents accidental changes. Once done, make sure the device is powered or plugged in and create a quick backup of settings so you can revert if needed. Next, open the manufacturer app or the globe's web UI and log in with the administrator account. This gives you access to the QR code and network settings you will change now. You will now find the Wi-Fi sharing or QR code section in the admin interface. Manufacturers place it under Network, Sharing, or Guest Access. Once located, edit the QR asset. Either delete the generated image or clear the embedded network share link so the globe stops displaying it. Also check for any auto-generate or captive portal settings and disable them. This prevents the device from recreating the QR after a reboot. Save changes and apply settings so the removal takes effect across the system. After applying changes, reboot the globe to ensure the interface and any cached images are cleared. This finalizes the removal. Then test by connecting a phone or laptop manually to the same SSID and password to verify guest access still works without the QR shortcut. If the QR code still appears, restore your backup to return to a known state. Then repeat the edit steps more carefully. Check for hidden share profiles or companion apps that may re-enable QR generation and remove those too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.